This time visit Stanley Mall.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Who said we cannot hit the top slots? Who said we cannot hit the top slots? Let's go. Cash on time, ladies and gentlemen. Well, time for some cash on. So then, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the cash on to the screen of multiplies once again. Bunch of 75s, 100 is the max, so let's update the multiplies. Let's 5x Topslot. Well, that looks way better now, am I right? 500x is the max, so let's see then. And well, that's it for the carousel. Decision time right here, ladies and gentlemen. So, choose the favorite target and the favorite place, the best place that there is. And so, like, I would go for cactus. Yeah.
This is the amount of money issued, 50,203 euros.
Trust myself anymore. Like, I'm gonna ask for all of you. 500x to me. Congratulations, Albion. Let's go back to the wheel. Over 1,200 total winnings. Congratulations, Albion. Let's go now. Let's see some good ones. That's a lovely one, Tintin. That's a lovely one. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen.
I like my country. It's fine. But no, it's also depends what you do in Crazy Time with the 4x and Topslot. Wait a minute. Crazy Time with the 4x and the Topslot. Wait, everybody. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen, to celebrate. Bam, 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 bam. I'll spin up. There we go. And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the biggest one wheel in the world. Woohoo! All right, I'm making cardio. It's like my tradition on a Crazy Time. While you're making decision, I'm making cardio. 4x in the top spot. Let's multiply. All right, choose your flapper. Green one, the yellow one, or the blue one. Right, so final second for your decision. All right, so 800x, the highest one, ladies and gentlemen. Time for the arm wrestling. There we go.
This is the amount of money issued, 39,230 euros.
200x blue, 40x for the yellow one, 60x for the green. Welcome back. Arrive at 790 first winners. You know, we're gonna take that 200x. 200x is good, you know. Sounds seem like a really good start. 200x on a Crazy Time already. That's close. All right.
This time, ladies and gentlemen, 3x multiplier from Topslot. Let's go. Alright, welcome back from the... let's multiply this 3 times. Alright, now welcome back from another Crazy Time, ladies and gentlemen. 3x multiplier for you guys. Well done. Decision time is open. Make a choice on the colors. We have green, blue, and the yellow one. So we should all of us select. Let's go for amazing multipliers from this Topslot Crazy Time. We have 300x multiplier to catch right now. Let's go, everyone.
This is the amount of money issued 150 to 1,348 euros.
What is the prize, June?
I don't know most, man. Like, I sing a lot, but I sing when I'm alone, and sometimes I sing for you players. That's close, because, you know, singing makes me happy, like dancing. Those two things can make me really happy. Because when I was little, if I would cry, my mother would sing for me, and then we would sing together, and then I would stop crying, and we would dance, we would have fun like that. So it is just like a nice memory, and I still do it to this day. I sing, I dance to make myself happier, you know, to cheer up. And we got cash from the 7x multiplier. Yay! We got it! Woohoo! How nice is that? Cash hunt with top slot 7x. Let's go. What a bonus! Cash hunt with 7x. Yes. Woohoo! Alright, so now, a lot of 100x's. So now, let's multiply everything by 7 times. And everything is so golden, so nice. Wow! The max multiplier right now is 700x. Good luck. We want the carousel has started. Alright, now it's time to make a decision. Choose a symbol their players. Of course, don't forget about auto-pick option. The system could pick for you. And now it's reveal time. Ta-da!
This is the amount of money issued 94,096 euros.
Seeing those multipliers. And wow, 166 players got 700x multiplier. Congrats to the winners.
Oh no! Oh, it's Alexander Machinga from the top slot right away. Hi Arno! I missed you! Okay, so we are starting the session with a pachinko with the top slot. Okay, what a beautiful start of the session! Okay, let's see what are we getting with multipliers. 5x is the lowest possible multiplier. 7, 10, 15, 20, 35, 40, 200x times 2. We have 400x, the highest multiplier. Oh my. I'm coming for it. I'm coming. Let's go for the 400x, guys. Show me. 400x, right side? Yes, go for the 400x. Right. Go.
This is the amount of money issued 390 to 1,775 euros.
Oh wait. 2,642 winners. Oh my days. What a start. Shout out to the top 5 winners of the last round. Also, welcome newcomers. Please remember, don't forget about the autoplay.
Again, then time is over now. Feel free to play the best. Don't forget auto play option as well. Welcome to players. Thank you for joining the game. And of course, let's make another spin for you guys. And once again, let's have some patience for the luck to come back in the session. So let's do this. Let's make another spin for players. We'll see how it goes this time. Alright. Crazy time is it 10x multiplier this round. The players, that will be absolutely amazing to have the crazy time, but we'll see where we're going to land for this round of players. And we are having, ladies and gentlemen, woohoo! Crazy time is 10x multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. What a catch! Big wins coming to you guys. I really hope so. Fingers crossed. Cross the fingers, guys. 10x multiplier from the crazy time right now. So wish you all the best luck, there, players. Let's do this. crazy time for the first time is the whole 10 axes for you guys. Decision time is open. 3 colors to choose from. Green, blue, yellow one. I really hope 4 amazing wins to be here. Come on, big wins. Come to us right now in the crazy time. Let's do this. We have 1,000 X to catch, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 312,237 euros.
We got 200, 500, 150.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.